How are you? Fine? Very nice. So welcome back to Nagesh Korasgi Orchid School channel. Children, today we are going to learn phonics subject. Okay? So be ready with your phonics skill book, pencil, eraser. Okay? So do you remember what we have learned in the last episode? Yes. Which sound we have learned? Very good. We have learned the O sound. So today we are going to see some more O sound related words. Okay? So you have to take out your phonics skill book, fold your hands and pay attention on the board. Okay? So today we are going to learn O words. Before that we will practice A to Z letter sound. Okay? Once we will do the practice and then we will start with our today's concept. Okay children? So you have to open page number 1 of your phonics skill book. Just you have to fold your hands, pay attention on the board. Teacher will show you the words. You have to repeat the sounds after teacher. Okay? All are ready? Yes, very good. Apple. Repeat. Apple.
Ball.
Ball.
Cat.
Cat.
Dog.
Dog.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Fan.
Fan.
Goat.
Goat.
Hen.
Hen.
Igloo.
Igloo.
Jug. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Lamb. Monkey. Nest.
Orange.
Parrot. Quilt. Rainbow. Snake. Telephone. Umbrella.
Vulture.
Whale. Box. Yak. Zebra. Okay, so have you all understood the sounds of letters? Okay, daily you have to see this page number 1 and 2 and also you have to do the practice of letter sounds. Okay, yes, now you have to open the page, the O words with O sound. Okay, today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn words with O sound. Okay, yes, so you have to open page number, you have to open the page number 24 of your phonics skill book. Okay, yes, now see here, what is the heading? Words with O sound. So let us read aloud. We will read aloud these words. Okay, first you can see here 2 letters are there. Which letters are this? Yes, very good. O and P. And what is the sound of O? Letter O? A. And what is the sound of letter P? Pa. Op. Op. What is this? Op. Op. So we will see op words first. Okay, see here. K. Op. K. Op. Cop. Repeat after teacher. Cop. Cop. Next word. Hop. 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 Lob. Lob. L up lop. M up mop. M up mop. P up pop. P up pop. S up sop. S up sop. T up top. T up top. T up top. Now these are OP op words. Op words. Okay. Cop, hop, lop, mop, pop, sop and top. Okay. Now we will see the next words, that is og words. Okay. Which two letters you can see here? Very good. O and G. And what is the phonic sound? Og. So these are og words. Okay. So repeat after teacher. Bog, bog. Bog, bog. Dog, dog. Dog, dog. Fog, fog. Fog, fog. Jog, jog. Jog, jog. Log, log. Log, log. OG, og words. Okay. Bog, bog. Dog, dog. Fog, fog. Jog, jog. And log, log. Now we will see OD, odd words. Which words are this? Odd words. Okay. See the first word. Which word you can see here? Cord, cord. Cord, cord. Nod, nod. Nod, nod. Pod, pod. Pod, pod. Rod, rod. Rod, rod. Sword, sword. Sword, sword. Okay. See, cord. Repeat after teacher. Cord, nod, pod, rod, sword. Okay. These are OD, odd words. Now we will see OY, oi words. Okay. Now we will see oi words. See here. B-O-Y, boy. B-O-Y, boy. B plus oi means boy. Okay. Next word. Which word is this? Tell me. Next, which word is this? Coy, coy. Okay. What is this? Coy, coy. C-O-Y, coy. Joy, J-O-Y, joy. J-O-Y, joy. O-Y, oi words. Boy, coy, joy. Okay. Now we will see O-X, ox words. O-X, ox words. Okay. See the first word. Box, box. Box, box. Cox, cox. Cox, cox. Fox, fox. Fox, fox. Box, cox, fox. Now we will see OB, ob words. Okay. Bob, bob. Repeat. Bob, bob. cob, 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 hob, 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 job, 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 rob, 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 sob, 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 sob. These are ob, ob words. Come on, repeat. Bob, cob, hop, job, rob, sob. Okay. Now we will see ot, ot words. Okay. Now we will see ot, ot words. First one is cot, 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 dot, 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 got, 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 hot, 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 jot, 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 lot, 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 not, 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 pot, 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 rot, 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 tot, 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 tot. Okay, so these are ot, ot words. Once we will read all these words, okay, you have to repeat after teacher. Come on. Cop, hop, lop, mop, pop, sop, top, bog, dog, fog, jog, log, cord, nod, pod, rod, sod, boy, coy, joy, box, cox, fox, bob, cob, hop, job, rob, sob, cot, dot, got, hot, jot, lot, not, pot, rot, tot. Okay, understood everybody? Now you have to turn the page. Next page you have to open. Look at the picture and say aloud. See this picture? Which picture is this? Pod, 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 cord, 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 rod, 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 dog, 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 fog, 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 log, 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 dot, 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 hot, 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 pot, 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 hop, 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 mop, 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 top, 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 box, 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 fox, 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 a fox. Understood? Okay. Now, once we will read the words, okay? Repeat. Box, a box. Cog, a cog. Dog, a dog. Dot, a dot. Fog, a fog. Fox, a fox. Hop, a hop. Hot, a hot. Log, a log. Mop, a mop. Pod, a pod. Pot, a pot. Rod, a rod. Top, a top. Understood? Okay. Now you have to turn the page. Next page you have to open. Okay. So you have to take out the next page, that is page number 2626. Okay? Yes. Take out this page. What we have to do here? Circle the things that have a sound. Okay? The things which have a sound, we have to circle them. See here, for example, now here I will select the objects and show you. Okay? A sound. See here, dog, dog. Okay? So I will select this dog. Hot, hot. Okay? Hop, hop. Pot, pot. Cob, cob. Toy, toy. T-O-Y, toy. So I have selected this. Now we will submit. Okay? We are doing one activity. We will see how many words are correct. Okay? See here, you can see the tick mark. Dog is correct. Pot is correct. Cob is also correct. Hot is also correct. And toy is also correct. Hop is also correct. So these are the words that have a sound. Understood? Now we will solve this in the textbook. Open page number 2626. See the first word. Which word is this? Dog, dog. So it is having a sound. A sound means you have to see if letter O is there, it means it have a sound. Okay? The word which is having O letter in the center means it is having a sound. So see here, dog, dog. So you have to circle this dog. Come on. Dog, dog. Dog, dog. Next one. Hot, hot. Here you can see letter O. That means this picture, it has a sound. Okay. Hot, hot. Come on, circle it. Hot, hot. Hot, hot. Hot, hot. Done. Next picture. Hop, hop. Here also letter O is there, means a sound. Hop, hop. Circle this word. Circle this picture. Hop, hop. Next one. Pot, pot. So you have to circle this pot. Pot, pot. Cob, cob. Circle cob. Cob, cob. Next one. T-O-Y, toy. few words we can't read in phonics, so we have to read by their spellings, like toy. If I read this T-O-Y, toy, okay, so you have to read in spellings, okay, T-O-Y, toy, T-O-Y, okay, toy. So there are some words which we can't read in phonics, so we have to read them in the spellings. Understood? So we have done this worksheet now. See here, the auger dog, her otter hot, her upper hop, per otter pot, k auber cop, t oya toy. Okay, so these are the words that have a sound. Finished? After completing this, you have to take out next page, that is page number 2727. Okay, now we are going to do here match the pairs. So here some pictures are given to the right and to the left, and in the center there are the words, means the spelling of that particular picture. So we have to find out the spellings and we have to do match the pairs. Understood? So see the first picture. What is this? Pot. Very good. So where is the spelling of pot? Per otter, pot. Match the pair. Per otter, pot. Okay. Finished? Next picture. What is this? Pod. Per order, pod. So you have to match it here. Per order, pod. Okay. Understood? Finished? Next picture, what you can see over here? What this boy is doing? Is doing jogging. So jog, jog. Jog, jog. Next picture, we use this for cleaning the floor. What is this? Mop. Very good. Mop, mop. Mop, mop. Done? First this side completed. Now we will move to the next side. Which picture is this first? Very good. It is cord. Cord, cord. Match it. Done. Next picture. What is this? Fox. Very good. Fox, fox. This is cop, cop. Match here. Cop, cop. Which picture is this? Top. Very good. And top you have to match here. Okay. Top, top. Understood? Once we will read the words. Jog, jog. Top, top. Per otter pot. Cop, cop. For ox, fox. Order, cord. Mop, mop. Per order, pod. Okay. So have you all done this matching? Okay. Now teacher will ask you, teacher will point out the pictures and you have to say their names. Okay. Now tell me which picture is this? What is this? Pod. Very good. Per order, pod. This one? Mop. Very good. Mop, mop. This picture? Per otter pot. Very good. Very nice. Jog, jog. Now tell me, what is this? Yes? Cop, cop. Very good. This? Top. Very good. Top, top. What is this? Fox. Fox, fox. Order, cord. Okay? Understood everybody? So children, can you tell me what we have learned just now? Yes, what we have learned in today's episode? Yes, very good. We have learned words with a sound. Okay. So we have seen here so many words, okay, family words we have seen, okay, OP op words, OG og words, OD odd words, OY oi words, OX ox words, and OB ob words, OT ot words, okay. Also we have seen some other words which have a sound, okay. Also we have done the activity. This is worksheet we have completed, okay, matching. So you have to do this practice at home, okay. You should be able to read the words looking at the pictures, okay. So you can refer the phonics skill book and you can do the practice at home. So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.